This 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ 4-wheel drive is a CARFAX certified one-owner vehicle with 118,256 miles. The Avalanche features 5.3L gasoline 5.8 and smooth shifting automatic transmission. This one is also equipped with a lift kit, heated leather seats with power adjustments, sunroof and GM's innovative Midway design. Financing is available with rates as low as 2.9% WAC. Get pre-approved in no time by filling out a credit application on the finance section of our website. We also offer 4 different warranty options, including Allstate. Call Brian Spagnola at 214-732-7859 or at 1-888-9TXMOTORS toll-free. All vehicles are priced for quick sale. All reasonable offers will be considered. Texas Motorcars in Addison is a family-owned and operated business.